Okay, today should be the last day of snow, but as I step out my front door, you see it's what, about 5 feet high here. That's my car, again, covered. Not completely like a few days ago, but pretty covered. Let me shut my front door so it doesn't end up freezing in here. All right. So this morning, I woke up and my heater wasn't working because I usually don't sleep with it on all night. And it's because my vent over here was covered. My intake, my exhaust. So I came over here and uncovered it. And it's just got covered up again from the snow that just came. So I had to come and uncover it because otherwise my heater stopped working. My heater usually works really good, but when that exhaust is covered, not good at all. Only thing that comes out is cold air, so that's not good. Anyway, I had to uncover that and then come down my path here. And let's show me my door. This is my door to my laundry room and storage room downstairs. And I already started digging it out, but I'm gonna try to make a space so I can do laundry and not be out of my laundry room for a good month or so until this melts, because it's gonna be a monster bunch of ice that's just gonna have to melt. It's crazy though.